So as you can see, there's a vertical line down the middle of the screen, and also if you gently touch the screen like this, it will go creaking from the hinges again. Despite this being fixed, I think now for the third time. Also, as you can tell, this is not just software related, because if I would restart the computer, there you see the line is there even when Windows shuts down, and as you can soon see, even when it reboots. So this is clearly not a software or a driver issue, it seems to be the screen itself. There you see the line, badly. Come on. As you can tell, here is the line. Yep, there it is in the middle of the screen. And also, since Sony repaired laptop, as soon as you press here, you get to hear a lot of noises. Listen to this. So if you lift the laptop, the whole thing creaks. Not exactly what you would expect for a $2,700 laptop.